My name is Myvan. I am a student, just like you. Today, I want to share a little bit about my life, my wonderful family, my favorite pastime, and how I try to make every day a good day. I live with my family in a small, peaceful town. My family is not very big, but we are extremely happy. There is my father, my mother, and my younger sister, Anjali, and me. We all love each other very much. We believe that spending time together is the most important thing. My father is a kind and hard-working man. He is a teacher at the local school. He goes to work early every morning. He loves his job because he gets to help many young students learn and grow. When he comes home, he always tells us interesting stories from his day. My mother is the heart of our home. She is a wonderful cook and always makes sure we eat healthy food. She is also a very good listener. Whenever I have a problem, I talk to her, and she always gives me the best advice. She is the most caring person I know. My sister, Anjali, is 5 years younger than me. She is very playful and energetic. Sometimes we fight over small things, but mostly, we are the best of friends. We like to play board games and watch cartoons together. She makes our home full of laughter. I go to school from Monday to Friday. I like school because I enjoy learning new things. My favorite subject is science, because I love to understand how the world works. I always try to study well and do my homework on time. My teachers are all very supportive. When I am not studying, I love to read books. I especially enjoy adventure stories and history books. Reading helps me travel to new places without leaving my chair. I also love to play cricket with my friends in the evening. It's a great way to stay fit and have fun. Learning English is very important to me. I study English in school, but I also practice at home every day. I watch simple English videos, like the one you saw, and I try to speak English with my sister and parents. My father always says, "Nimal, practice every day, and you will achieve anything." This motivates me a lot. Last month, we all went to the beach for a small holiday. We swam in the ocean, built sandcastles, and watched the sunset together. It was a beautiful and unforgettable memory. Moments like these remind me how lucky I am to have such a supportive family. I have a simple life, but it is a happy one. I have a loving family, good friends, and the opportunity to learn every day. I always remember my father's words: study well. Be kind to others. Make us proud. I will continue to work hard to achieve my dreams and make my family happy.